Hello everyone, let's generate Game of Thrones melody on Arduino Uno using a simple buzzer setup. We shall be using a Arduino tone library function which is very simple to use. This function requires only pin number, frequency and duration inputs. It generates bursts of square wave which are fed directly to the buzzer. The change in frequency and the duration is what imitates the tone of music notes on a buzzer. A simple piezo buzzer is used, which can be driven from 3 to 24 volts. Positive pin connected to pin 8 and ground pin connected to Arduino ground. Arduino is powered from external 12-volt supply, which is connected to Vin input and ground. Source code link is in public domain and can be downloaded from TechTrain 101 GitHub source. Your support is vital. Please like and subscribe for more video.